Please.
Today, three distinguished officers who have been working with you since you assumed office as president of this country have been duly recognized by their respective offices this morning and this afternoon, that you will do them the honor, assisted them that after this event, there will be a meeting of the service chiefs, the security briefing. At this point, I would like to invite the first one. Please step forward along with your spouse to the
Photograph. Thank you.
Today, he will be known as Brigadier General Adebisi Olusegun Onasaya. Assisted by the Chief of Army Staff. Freshly minted Brigadier General. Mr. President should be in the middle and the should be flanked, yes. Yes, it's like that.
Thank you, sir.
The officer used to be an assistant commissioner of police. Usman Musa Shugaba will now be referred to as a deputy commissioner of police. The Inspector General of Police, may please step forward to assist in the declaration.
you, sir.
Congratulations. The benefit of today is for the spouses. I thank you especially. To all of you. Hard work brings more hard work. We are all challenged in our situation. Thanks the wives for being very, very understanding in the face of these, serious challenges and absence of the husbands from their homes during the long hours of the duty. Nigeria called oaths to serve. We are the servants of the country and not the masters of the country, as you've seen. And your teamship as leaders in our various categories is reflecting in various assignments and responsibility. And I hope that Nigeria will continue to recognize your service to the motherland. I congratulate you once again. May God bless you and give you strength. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, the Honorable Minister of State for Defense, National Security Advisor, service chiefs, top government functionaries here present, our spouses, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Air Vice Marshal O.O. Oyeshola, Commander, Presidential Office. It's my honor this afternoon to give a vote of thanks on behalf of the newly decorated officers. I would like to first start by thanking God Almighty for life and the grace to be elevated to this position. Our gratitude, profound gratitude, goes to Mr. President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, for giving us the privilege and the honor of being of service to him and for approving our promotions to this rank. We are indeed most grateful, sir. We will not forget the Honorable Minister and National Security Advisor, who have been tremendous bosses and inspiration to us all. I want to thank the Chief of Defense Staff, who was my theater commander when we served at the Joint Task Force Northeast Maiduguri, Operation Hiding Care. You have been an inspiration and an exemplary leader to us. Thank you for being a good mentor, sir. I want to thank sincerely the service chiefs and the Inspector General of Police for finding us worthy of this elevation to this rank. We are most grateful, sir. To our spouses, we want to thank you for being a pillar of support to us and ensuring that the home front is kept stable for us to concentrate on our work. We thank you very much. As the saying goes, sir, to whom much is given, much is expected. On behalf of decorated officers, I want to assure you, sir, that we will not disappoint. We will not betray this confidence that is reposed in us. Thank you once again, sir. God bless you.